Google just released a game-changing creative studio that generates stunning AI videos and images, and it's completely free. Here's exactly how to use it for your business. Google FloydAI is a unified creative platform combining video generation, image creation, and custom tool building. Perfect for creators and small businesses, it lets you produce professional content without expensive software. You get AI-powered video synthesis, text-to-image generation, and customizable workflows all in one dashboard. No subscriptions required to get started. Start by logging into your Google account, upload your brief, or describe your vision. Floyd handles the rest. For videos, input your concept, choose style preferences, and render in minutes. For images, use text prompts or upload reference images. The AI generates multiple variations instantly. Download, edit, and publish directly to your platforms. Floyd's custom tool builder lets you create automated workflows specific to your business. Combine video, image, and text generation modules. Set parameters for brand consistency. Save templates for recurring projects. This saves hours weekly on repetitive creative tasks. Freelancers charge premium rates using these automated workflows. You can too. Use Floyd for product demos, social media content, portfolio pieces, and client deliverables. Batch generate variations to a TFA testis. Combine outputs with CapCut for polish. Creators earning six figures use AI tools like this daily. Start experimenting today. Your competition already is. Subscribe for weekly AI tool reviews and tutorials. Like this video and comment which AI tool you want us to test next.